Attach the Lytx camera to the mount prior to putting it in the vehicle. It's just a lot easier and you don't have to take the chance of dropping your screws down a vent or anything like that. The camera mount is pre-attached and angles toward the windshield. So this is the front where your windshield is going to be. The camera has the little gears already attached to it, and the mate is already on the mount, so it just snaps right in. You can pre-position it, and then the hardware, which comes in a hardware bag, is just a flat washer, a split lock washer, and a hex nut. We'll just hold it in place. Leave it loose for now so you can adjust the angle once you're in the vehicle. So when it's done, this should be where your windshield is and your camera facing the windshield. Make sure your camera is positioned the right way toward the front. On this one, there's a rubber washer that needs to go between the camera and the bracket. So you need to get that in there. It's a little more difficult than some of the other ones. And then attach the hardware. Sometimes it's easier to attach the washer on the screw and then put the camera in there. And then that'll mount up into your vehicle. Leave it a little loose for now, and then you can tighten them after the mount's installed. Today we're going to install the Volvo camera mount. This camera mount has a Lytx camera installed, and we're installing it into a Volvo VNL semi-truck. First we have to remove these two screws that hold the front of the passenger side sun visor in place. By removing these two screws, we've now gained access to the headliner bolts that are behind it. Remove these 4 bolts here and here to attach the mount. Once you've removed all the screws, place the mount in the same location and then reattach with the existing screws. Reattach the sun visor bracket with the existing screws that you took out previously. With the camera mount in place, you can adjust the tension bracket by slightly pulling on the bracket and pushing the tension bracket against the windshield and then tightening the screw. This keeps the mount solid against the windshield. To adjust the camera to the desired position, you can loosen the side bolts here to adjust the camera up or down. And then also the 1032 nuts on the top, you can adjust to get different viewing angles.